Alright, after many attempts of trying this, we've actually gained a bit of access here. It's like we're having to duck a bit here, as you can see. Look, we've got bunk beds going on. Go wherever that is. So just imagine like thousands of people actually rushing down here. Look at that. That's crazy. You can't actually go on tours for this. It looks good on camera. 2 Idiots Explore. We're going to be kind of quiet because we're on a bunker tour. And we're finally doing the second bunker we said we'd do. And yeah, it's pretty eerie in here. Yeah. We'll probably have inserted an intro at the start, basically telling you where this is and how you can actually come and visit this for yourselves. But this is the public air raid shelter in Stockport. And yeah, we're on like a tour. It's quite cheap. It's not expensive at all, and you can come do it whenever, any day in the week, 1 till 4, I think.
Yeah, for the two of us as students, it was like £7.
It was £7 for the both of us because we're students, but we're going to take you around the bunker.
Not too much because we don't want to give away the tour.
Yeah, we don't want to give away the tour, so this is going to be more. Oh, yeah, this is going to be. Oh yeah. What does it say? Dave. Hopefully the microphone works alright. We're not going to spend too long reading all these things because we're going to do that in our own time, but yeah, we thought we'd take you guys around. And there's a map on here actually. Oh wow, it's quite big then, Rachel. Have you seen the size of this map? Yeah. So we're here. I just want to let you guys know that because we're on a tour, we're going to try and just stick to the raw light of the camera and not try and ruin it for others with the big light we usually use. So apologies if this does look slightly grainy. But yeah, I'm so pumped to be here in the Stockport air raid shelters. Again, it's quite good. We're going to have a look around and God, it looks quite big. Yeah, this is definitely the whole thing because it says the emergency exit's all the way up there. Should we get going around then?
Yeah, 1 sec.
We're just going to do a bit of reading. You can actually see some genuine, authentic pictures here of this exact bunker we're standing in. So you can get a shot of that for you guys. So this is the warden's room, and we've got the same old bunk beds we saw when we went down into these bunkers, but yeah, original bunk beds here, fire extinguisher, and these are actually real relics from what she said. But we're getting a spooky vibe down here, aren't we, Rachel? Tell us your thoughts.
Oh, it's definitely like, because
it's creepy down here. We're hearing all kinds of shit.
Do you know? See what's in there.
Oh wow. Yeah, it goes left and right, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is bringing back some memories. This.
This is so spooky.
It's very, very cold all of a sudden. Very cold.
Yeah. Maybe just bite it. Oh god.
That's fucking.
It is creepy.
That's creepy. That. Is that? I think that's a gas meter. You know, like an alarm. That is, isn't it?
It's
That's creepy. I hope that doesn't go off. Making some weird things up on camera, mate. That's a problem.
I hate that it just doesn't want to focus.
It doesn't at all. And there's a lot of light for it to focus.
That's grim, they have a fucking sick bay. That's when people would be quarantined if they were ill.
Do you want to go here?
Yeah, alright then. I hate this. Sure.
Wow. Don't drop any of that shit on the floor. Oh my god, Rich. Have you seen how rusty these are?
Yeah, I know. Don't touch it. Like instant tetanus.
Okay. I got a tetanus jab, don't worry. Let the camera pick it up.
Do you want to walk through?
So we're obviously going to keep the vlogging to a minimal on this one, due to that there's other people here. But this place is creepy.
This is trippy.
We don't want to spoil it for you, so we're not going to take you around the whole thing.
Yeah, but we're in the first aid bay.
This is obviously the first aid bit. You've got, I don't know, things, but there's like an old radio there. And we've just come down from this like dark corridor. And as I was walking by there, I thought I was going to step on something back there. And I stepped back into Rachel. And then it just vanished.
Creeped us both out.
Yeah, so I'm not sure if that's on camera or not, but I hope I got... Hopefully it wasn't just my eyes that saw that, because I was aiming the camera right at it. I swore I saw something. We'll see when it comes to editing, it might have just been nothing, but you're going from dark to light, so it could be our eyes adjusting as well, so... But it's very cold, and we keep hearing bangs. But yeah...
It could be the street above us.
It could also be the street above us, because there is a street above us, yeah. That's creepy, that, isn't it? Different frequencies for the songs.
I kind of want to, like,
Pull.
see what's inside.
Nah, it's locked, mate. Wow. What is that? Is that
Blood pressure.
blood pressure?
Yeah.
Wow. Old medicine jars and stuff. Ointments. As soon as I put the light on in there, right?
Yeah.
Because my eyes with the light and adjusting, all I could see was like dark figures. It's horrible. I keep seeing them by there as well. Wow. That looks like one of the homemade air raid shelters they had.
Oh, ew. Oh, God.
Let's go and sit in there.
That's, like, really creepy.
It's quite small, isn't it? Wow. It's pretty tiny. I do feel very claustrophobic in there. Oh wow.
Kitchen area.
Yeah. It's a fridge. So these are all the things they have down here. One woman wanted as ambulance drivers. That's like what do you call it? That was to boost women morale. in use of propaganda. I remember seeing that poster and doing an essay on that. Here we are. This is what they would have had. Potato sausages. 3 or 4 large potatoes. It is kind of sad, isn't it? This whole place is sad.
It is.
Got an old scales there. Canteen was run by women voluntary service. Tea is available from the canteen. Which way we just come from over there, haven't we? Oh, it's trippy.
Hey, do you want to go to the arches?
I reckon that goes to like sewers and stuff though. If you're out of doors. Men. It's like the Goonies again, isn't it? You gotta come in here. You gotta come in here.
Yo.
There's no way. This is like, can you actually use these toilets? What? I'm gonna have to try it.
Don't, I don't think it's.
No, it's yeah.
It's gonna be like seized shut because of
It just looks so like well kept, you think? Wow, these were the old toilets. Men's toilets.
Oh wait, shh.
Shh.
That was really weird.
What was that? It's probably just the street above us, Rach.
No, it's like coming from. I think I can hear the pipes. That's dead weird.
Yeah. But I like how the toilets for convenience were just pipes you sat on. That's weird. Remember, if you are new around here, we do this stuff all the time. So be sure to subscribe, comment. If you want to see more, tell us. Wow, we've got some more over here.
My voice well creeps me out.
Yeah, yours does too, Bill. If you'd like to see the unlit tunnels and explore areas not normally accessible to the public, you can join a guided tour available on the 1st. Oh, we gotta do that. Oh, he scared me with all that. This was exactly what we saw when we explored the non-public versions of this last time. They were called Brinks Way air raid shelters. They've recently been covered up though. Scare me. So yeah, make sure you see that video. This is part 2. What's that? Oh, men at work keep out. Yeah, they kept extending these. Just in case. To house more people, I'm guessing. Hello.
What are you doing being an absolute creep?
Asking if there's anyone there. A system down here. You're definitely getting your money's worth coming here. If anyone that's near Manchester or for a day out, definitely come here. You like your history, you want to go to. Yeah, we've got the women's toilets here.
Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Need a week.
Same kind of layout. going off now. That's it right there. That's the fucking thing that spins.
That's great, dude.
So that'll just spin at like thousands of RPM.
Is this motherfucker that wakes us up on Wednesday?
Yeah, can get a shot of me real quick. So that there is what they call the World War II Carter bell, which was the air raid siren that went on during the Blitz in London. And that's an original siren. So basically, that would rev at thousands of RPM and make that horrible sound you know as the World War II siren. Hold the camera steady. Thanks for watching, guys. That was the Stockport air raid shelters just there. That is one of the original entrances, I believe. And obviously they've kind of built something out there for, like, you know, people like us that want to go on tours, accessibility and stuff like that. But if you're new around here, what do we do?
You subscribe.
You subscribe. No, I meant what do we do?
Oh, what do we do?
Don't subscribe to ourselves. I mean, there's one or two of accounts set up.
We're two idiots and we explore places.
Yeah.
What it says on the tin.
Pretty much what it is. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, share the video. Piece of history right here.
Yes.
And
special thanks to the lovely people at the Stockport bunkers.
yeah, they were very nice.
They were extremely lovely, and they've tried getting us back for another special tour, which we will do because it's really cool. Because there's other places that you can go on a different tour that we can go on a self-guided. But yeah, expect more of this.
Thanks, guys, and see you in the next World War II adventure.